How you doing, third grade? Right now, we're going to work on this problem. If you were given a tape diagram, how do you fill your GIT out? The question is, three students equally share a pack of 12 pencils. As you already can see, Mr. Richardson already gave you the tape diagram. So now it is just time for you to fill out your GIT. Remember that G stands for groups, I stands for in each, and T stands for total. Three students equally share a pack of 12 pencils. Hmm. Three students equally share a pack of 12 pencils. 12 is our big number, and we know we didn't add or subtract to it. We're just going to share it equally. So I think 12 is our what, friends? Think about it. 12 is our what? Yes, you are correct. 12 is our total. Three students equally share. Three students. What is three students? What does three mean? Is that our groups or in each? Think about it, friends. Yes, you are correct. That is our groups. So now we have three groups, and we know our total is 12. We just need to figure out in each, how many pencils do each student get? As you can see, there's my tape diagram, and we're going to move on to the next slide. Our next slide is draw using an array. So now we have to use an array to our question. Three students equally share a pack of 12 pencils. 12 pencils. So we know we have three students. That means we have three groups, friends. We have three groups. So you're going to arrange your pencils. You're going to drag them down. You're going to arrange them. Three groups, three rows, and you're going to figure out how many in each. So you're going to drag it around until you keep getting it into in each, and you're going to draw your array, friends. You're going to draw your array. Draw your array. So if you keep going, you're going to keep going to each one until you're totally done. Keep going. Make sure you line them up correctly, friends. Keep going, and keep going. And now you can see that we have three rows, three groups, and 12 total. From our array, we already can see how many in each. But let's keep going. Now we have our tape diagram again, and we're going to fill in our pencils, which are on the side, inside our tape diagram, friends, until you run out. So you're going to go one by one, one, until you run out. Okay, friends? So keep going one by one with your pencils until you run out and see how many pencils are in each unit, in each box, each student. Each unit represents a student. Each box represents a student. So keep going until you fill all these pencils in. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to write your math sentence. Mr. Richardson already set up for you. So the only thing you need to figure out is the unknown, the missing unknown. Okay, friends? So we're going to go back. We're going to use these pencils, fill up in each box one by one. Mr. Richardson already did the array for you, but you're going to have to do it by yourself so you can figure out that array. And we already used our GIT. Then after that, you have a new problem. Jane and her friend Rob share 10 ice cream sandwiches. You're going to do the same thing Mr. Richardson did, friends. And you also have a math sentence, which are blank. So I want you to try now. You have your ice cream sandwiches, your tape diagram. You're going to use this line, and you're going to separate the tape diagram. You're going to put it right in the middle, friends, right in the middle, because we want to equally separate it. And as we read the question, Jane and her friend Rob. So we know we have two. So make sure y'all fill this out. I hope y'all did it perfectly for y'all. Now it is your turn to do it. So find your class so you can do your work. Find your class, then click on the link to do your work. Thank you so much, friends.